Alright, so if we go into setting up dashboard buttons, so setup, systems, display, dashboard buttons, and then select here. There's this low speed start button, and there's a disagreement on what it's for. So if you look up here, low speed start allows the motors to start sooner when acceleration is not detected. When this feature is active, the motors are more susceptible to false GPS and radar signals. Ensure that you're ready to start planting before activating. So with V-Drive or RowFlow, we use radar, GPS, and accelerometers to determine when we start our motors. So John Deere planters have a wheel speed sensor. When they see the wheel move, they'll start motors. We have accelerometers like the power distribution module on the planter there, or the RowFlow module has an accelerometer. When we sense acceleration plus 0.3 miles per hour, both of those, then we'll start motors. So if for some reason the accelerometers go out, or you don't have radar or something, you should enable this low speed start. Now, people in the field will say, I have all those things, and when I enable the low speed start, pull out the corner, it allows the motors to start sooner. So if the situation would be if I back into the corner, lower the planter, let the clutch out and go, and it seems like it takes 5 or 10 feet for motors to begin, and I have a gap, you could enable low speed start. And basically you back into the corner, set the planter down, touch the button, it'll give you, I think it's 8 seconds. It's not going to activate there, but it's going to give you a countdown. I think it's 8 seconds, which the speed threshold at which we start the motors is going to be lower. So they should start sooner.
So won't start dropping seed until you move.
Correct. It doesn't begin the motors.
Right.
It just lowers the speed
It's
threshold.
more sensitive.
It's more
So
sensitive.
what's the suggestion when you stop in the middle of the field?
Use it.
Back up, in theory, back up.
If you're okay with a 12 or 16 inch gap, hit the button and keep going.
So you want to hit the button and let the clutch out within a second or two.
And the more gradual you feather the clutch out, the harder it's going to be for it to detect motion. I'm not saying dump the clutch and,
But don't
pin yourself against the back of the window, but, just kind of, a nice little lunge forward, and it'll pick that up right away. You'll have a gap in the corn about this big. If you don't want that gap, you need to raise up, back up, set down. Yep.
So here, if I hit low speed start, you can see it counts down 8 seconds. So basically that threshold for movement is lowered for 8 seconds. So push it when you're ready to start, let the clutch out. And of course, it goes without saying, I'm just going to mention it because I've seen it happen. Guys that have row clutches, hydraulic drives, that, like Aaron was talking about, feather the clutch. We'll pull up, oh, okay, get to my end row, hit the clutch, stop, raise the planter, turn around, pull up, when the planter gets right to the end row, hit the clutch, stop, set down, and then slowly feather the clutch out. Shift down, cross the end rows, pick the planter out, turn around, set it down, and go. There's no need if you've got clutches and drives, whatever it is, to stop when you get to the end unless there's some reason you need to. The whole system's going to work better if you don't stop when you come into the end rows and when you come out. If you just shift down, slow down a little bit, turn around, set down a few rows ahead, and you're going at a pretty decent speed, the whole system works better.